Alright guys, this is Cody with Fixed Roofing. We've got another great video here for you. Two-story condo building. HOA had multiple repairs done on this, and they said, hey, let's go ahead and get it replaced, get a new roof on this one. We got to work tearing off all the old material, replaced a bunch of rotted roof deck here, updated to the latest code requirements for nailing off that roof deck, and of course we went with that peel and stick underlayment, which satisfies your secondary water barrier requirements. After that, we started installing our Owens Corning Duration shingles in that beautiful desert tan color. Go ahead and enjoy this video, guys.